In our fast-paced world, staying calm in stressful situations is essential for maintaining mental and emotional well-being. Buddhist wisdom offers valuable insights into achieving this calmness through mindfulness and meditation. By incorporating these teachings into our daily lives, we can develop practical tools to manage stress effectively. Imagine transforming your reactions to challenges and finding peace amidst chaos. Embracing these practices not only enhances our resilience but also fosters a deeper connection to ourselves and the world around us, leading to a more balanced life. Buddhism teaches that stress is closely linked to the concept of dukkha, or suffering, which highlights the inherent challenges of life. Recognizing that stress often stems from our attachments and desires can help us understand its impact on both the mind and body. By embracing the principle of impermanence, we learn that stressful situations are temporary, allowing us to respond with greater clarity. Additionally, practicing non-attachment can alleviate stress, freeing us from the burdens of expectations and fostering a more peaceful state of mind. Mindfulness meditation is a powerful tool for cultivating calmness and clarity in our lives. At its core, it involves paying attention to the present moment without judgment, which can significantly reduce stress and enhance overall well-being. To start, find a quiet space, sit comfortably, and focus on your breath. Inhale deeply, then exhale slowly, allowing thoughts to come and go without attachment. Aim for just 5 minutes daily, gradually increasing the time. By incorporating mindfulness into your routine, you can create a sanctuary of peace amidst life's challenges. Breathing exercises for calmness. Conscious breathing is a fundamental practice in Buddhism that helps cultivate awareness and calmness. By focusing on our breath, we can anchor ourselves in the present moment and reduce stress. One effective technique is the 4-7-8 method. Inhale deeply through your nose for 4 counts, hold your breath for 7 counts, and exhale slowly through your mouth for 8 counts. Another simple exercise is deep belly breathing, where you place your hand on your abdomen and feel it rise and fall. Use these techniques during stressful moments to regain your sense of peace and clarity. Compassion plays a vital role in reducing stress, both for ourselves and those around us. By practicing self-compassion, we can ease the harsh judgments we often impose on ourselves, leading to a more relaxed state of mind. Loving kindness meditation is a powerful way to foster compassion. It involves silently repeating phrases of goodwill towards yourself and others. This practice not only enhances our emotional resilience, but also strengthens our connections with others. I encourage you to incorporate compassion into your daily interactions, creating a more supportive and peaceful environment. Acceptance is a fundamental Buddhist principle that plays a crucial role in managing stress. By acknowledging situations as they are, rather than how we wish them to be, we can reduce resistance and find peace. For example, accepting a challenging work project can shift our perspective from frustration to an opportunity for growth and learning. Embracing acceptance allows us to navigate life's ups and downs with greater ease. I encourage you to view challenges as stepping stones, fostering resilience and personal development in the face of adversity. In this video, we explored various techniques for staying calm using Buddhist wisdom, including mindfulness meditation, conscious breathing, and cultivating compassion. Each of these practices offers valuable tools for managing stress and enhancing our overall well-being. Remember, the key to reaping the benefits lies in practicing these techniques regularly. If you found this content helpful, please subscribe, like, and share this video with others who may benefit. Together, we can create a community focused on mindfulness and resilience in our daily lives. Thank you for watching.